Okay, I want to find the equation of this graph, basically. So what I will do first is I will look at where it cuts the x-axis, in other words, -3, 0, and 4, and write down an equation with those roots. Now, at -3, we have a tangent. That implies that the -3 occurs twice. It's a double root. So what I have then is x plus 3 squared as a factor of the polynomial. That will give me -3 twice. Then I have x 0 and then x minus 4 over here. So that equation has the correct roots. In other words, -3 twice, 0 and 4. So